previous video I mentioned about data types and the type of variables that we use in C++ programming. Today I'm going to talk about constant declaration C++. That means so when we write n equal to I plus plus and all, value not only n's value is changed, i's value changes here, right? But we don't. There are times when we don't want to change value. We want a constant value throughout the program. That's when we use these constant declarations. A variable which does not change its value during execution of a program is known as constant variable. And these constants can be of any basic data type. All we have to use the const qualifier before the actual data type of the variable. Best example is pi. Pi's value never changes throughout the calculation of the area of a certain polygon, right? So to declare it in a program, we type const float pi is equal to 3.1415. Because we use the qualifier const before the data type, its value will remain constant throughout the program. Next is the flow of control of a program. In a river or a stream or an ocean, the flow is determined by the amount of water. Just like that, the flow of a program is sequentially decided by the number of statements. So these statements are the instruction given to the compiler to perform any kind of actions. They form the smallest executable units in a C++ program. Now they are classified into two. One is simple statements, the other is compound statements. Now let's look into it further in detail. First is simple statements. These are individual instructions of a program like variable declaration expression. That means a statement of a single line. Example, int I equal to 49. They end with a semicolon and they are executed in the same order they appear. That means here 49 is being assigned to I. This is the example of a simple statement. That means one single line. Now next is the compound statement. It is a group of statements in a block or code. Sometimes we can separate two statements with a comma operator. Now, compound statement is also known as a group of simple statements. Either it can be separated with a comma operator or together they can form a block or a code. And from statement 1 to statement n, this is executed sequentially right after statement 1 go to statement 2. These are the compound statements. Now we look into strings. Strings are the sequence of bytes occurring in a C++ for input and output operation. And there are two types of strings, input and output. If the bytes flow is from keyboard to main memory, this is called an input string. They're inputting a value from the keyboard. When they input a value from the keyboard, that value is stored in memory in the form of bytes, that is zeros and ones. And from that memory, it goes to the display screen in the language that we understand. That's called the output string. When the bytes flow is from main memory to display screen, it is called an output string. Now the input string is the standard input string that we use, that is Cin. In C++ we use Cin. Cin is a predefined object. It is followed by string extraction operators. Cin, the greater symbol, that means string extract. It means that you are extracting a value from the keyboard to the main memory. Next is the output string. The standard output string in C++ is cout. The input was Cin. The standard output string is cout. Cout is a predefined object available in ostream or output string. It is attached to a monitor or a display string. For Cin, when we put an input in the computer, it will be stored in the main memory in the bytes, and these bytes will be displayed in the display screen in the language that we understand. That was all for today. I hope you understood what I've taken in this video. If you have any doubts, please comment down below. Thank you.